Being in the food service for as long as he was, Samuel was pretty knowledgeable in the workings of safety in management. This was the way that organizations insisted on the safety of their employees by making sure that every procedure was being exposed for the staff to take advantage of. With his recent change of employment and the facility he was assigned to, there were some situations that Samuel would be forced to take issue with. It is not that he believed that he was better than everyone else, but when it came to safety, he refused to allow important things to slip by. Management did not have the required stickers that warned employees as to possible dangers that may be lurking, and for every facility he had been through in the past, proper labeling was never compromised. Fast food restaurants in particular, because of high turnover, would need to provide clear visual signs warning their employees of the possibility of serious damage if procedures were carried out incorrectly.